So how to add blog category on Wix website builder. So I'm going to go here to site, my dashboard, and here we're going to have a blog, right? We have blog, and then here on blog we have our overview, and then here you have categories. I'm going to click on categories, and here we have all the categories. Don't have any categories like me, 0 categories here. I'm just going to click on create category, and then we have here a name of our category and category image and also description, right? And then here I just pause the video and I've written here digital marketing strategy. This is actually a category for the business. Now you can add the category image. You can add here something. For my example, I can add someone analyzing digital marketing data on a computer screen. So I'll just write here Unsplash. I'll use Unsplash. And here I'll write working on PC or laptop. Okay, this is actually good. Add to page, and now here we have our first category. So I'm gonna click on save. Looks nice. We can create more categories. We can also use AI, but I'm gonna click on pause. So I'm gonna show you now how you can add this category to your blog. So now I'm gonna write here a blog about, let's say I'm writing a blog about how to do digital marketing. And here I'll write something, of course, this blog. And here in you have in settings here, you can add, let's say you can feature this post. You also have categories here, so I can enable this category. This can be the category. You can also create a category from here. Let's say you're just writing your blog and you don't want to leave to go to your dashboard, because you can click on here and go to your dashboard to go to a different website, or to just leave this. Maybe you're actually designing your website and then there you have the dashboard, but here you can just publish it, or you save actually the project and then you're gonna have to go back, but you don't have to, because you have here in settings, click on settings, categories, and you can check your categories. You also have like SEO, monetization, or other things, AI, and then add. You can add image, video here, but other things they're not related to this video. Also, if you want to publish date, you can also schedule. But again, this is not it's not the video about how to schedule your post. But I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget you can add actually a feature image here. Thanks for watching and take care.